Hello friends, it's Emre Ata. Today we will go through the process of buying and selling Trump token on Binance Global together, step by step. For beginners, this video explains how to open a Binance Global account, 20% off commission code, how to apply, how to verify KYC, how to deposit funds. We'll go through it all. Most importantly, I will show you how to trade. Let's start the video.
How to buy Trump token on Binance Global? Firstly, we need Binance Global account with referral code. Why we need this referral code? Because when we are selling our crypto, we are paying some commission. If you want commission kickback, commission discount, we need this referral code. This is exchange referral code codes.com, my website. The language, you can get information about crypto industry on this website. Click this banner. On this page, you should see my referral code and name here. In this way, you will understand my codes working. With this referral code, you will get 20% discount, trade rebates, plus up to $600 new user bonus. Fill this form with email or your phone, Google account, Apple account, or Telegram. Next step, automatically Binance Global redirecting you KYC approval. With your mobile phone, you will finish this in 1 minute in. You will see here verified. After KYC completed, we need deposit money to Binance Global. Firstly, I want to show you how to buy Trump token with easy way on Binance Global. Click deposit mobile and desktop same. Click your currency. Be careful about your country regulation for crypto industry. Buy with USD. Click here, this button. On this page, click buy. Select Trump token here. For example, $500. After you should choose your GPay, Visa, MasterCard or Apple Pay. After click buy Trump. For selling, same. Click save, sell and click sell Trump. So on market, do you want to buy Trump token? We need stablecoin, USDC or USDT here. Click USDT or USDC for example, $1,000. Same method, click buy USDC. Now, where is market area for buying Trump token? Mobile and desktop same. Click market here, markets. Click spot, search console here. Here, Trump USDC. We need Trump USDC. If you want, you will buy USD1 too. Click Trump USDC. On this page, you will see chart information about Trump token. Red color sellers, green colors buyers. This is current price of Trump token. For fast away for buying, click red one, first red one. For example, 1000 USDC we have, and click buy Trump. So easy. When you click first red one, current price coming here, 1000 USDC, and click buy Trump. For example, Trump token raised $10. This is not trade advice. And click sell Trump. And click sell Trump. So easy. Buying and selling. If you need more information about crypto industry, you will visit my website exchangereferralcodes.com.
Alright everyone, today I've shown you how to buy and sell Trump token on Binance Global. Please stay away from scammers on social media whose identities are unclear. Learn to do your own analysis. This is the only way to navigate this industry without losses or issues. You can access Binance Academy to learn cryptocurrency terminology. Also, remember to follow Binance's official social media channel. Thank you for watching the video. Regards, Emre Ata.